This radiant Vogel Crystal Wand is crafted from natural Brazilian clear quartz, and at first glance it appears to be completely clear. But under a hot light, it reveals something extraordinary. Delicate blue ray needles shimmering inside. These rare, naturally formed phenomena are not inclusions, but the result of trapped gases during the crystal's long growth process. Blue rays are believed to enhance intuition, deepen spiritual connection, and elevate the healing properties of clear quartz. Some even say they call to those who identify as blue ray beings. Clear quartz is known as the master healer, amplifying intentions, restoring balance, and opening pathways to higher guidance. This piece is more than just a crystal. It's a timeless tool for transformation, clarity, and manifestation.